Welcome to Ride JBI. I'm JB. Today we finished doing a suspension revalve on a 2023 Kawasaki 450 SR. Starting out the forks, we did the JBI Pro Fork setup. This is our revalve along with hardware upgrades that go inside the fork as well to complement the revalve and make it perform even better. Details about this kit is below in the description. This kit we can install for you, or we can also provide it as a DIY kit. On the rear shock, we did a matching shock revalve as well. We also exchanged out the stock bladder cap for the JBI bladder cap and also the JBI black bumper. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.
That's a business expense right there.
Always.